Come with me as I show my clients 5 rental single family home property. This one is in Hollywood. I like this one because this one was $2,900 and it had a pool. This is the contractor showing me the home, let me know that he did the floors. Very nice floor. I'll give the floor a 10 out of 10. The bathroom still needs to work on, but the pool is nice. Now, second property, the outside looked okay, but the inside to me was kind of small. But surprisingly, my clients really, really like this property. It doesn't come with the pool, but it's in Hollywood, so it's a great location. Look like they're still doing some renovations. Now, this property here, it was okay, but it had an efficiency and it was not mentioned on the MLS. So my clients wasn't really feeling it, but it definitely was nice on the inside. I really liked the tile. The landlord put all new appliances, so they really liked this property, but it had an efficiency and they didn't like that. This one is in Pembroke Pines. Very nice area, close to everything. The backyard is gorgeous. Look how big that backyard is. Like, definitely enough space if you have dogs. Now, this one is also in Pembroke Pines. This one had 2 efficiencies in the back. They're doing renovations. They did not let me know that they had efficiencies, but surprisingly, my client really, really liked this property. And this property